So, you wanna link your TikTok account to Facebook? It's really simple. What you have to do is simply open the TikTok app, and then you're gonna go to your profile and click on the three lines in the top right of the screen. After that, you're gonna click on settings, click on share, copy the link, and then go to Facebook. From there, I want to go to your account, and then you're gonna click on edit profile. You're gonna scroll down and click on add links. From there, you will click on add link and choose TikTok as the platform. You're gonna paste your username there and click on save, and it should be all done. That was it for today, and I'll see you in another video. Stay tuned.